Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing part 3 of water physics. And today we're just going to be making it so that the water can actually go downwards instead of just automatically going out to the sides. So yeah, and we won't need this anymore. Actually, you know what? That'll be kind of cool to have it. First thing, let's just put the water in the sky, and we can do that by just dragging this out here and then just moving it. That is the most simple thing to do. Let's just move it a bit into the sky like that. Yeah, okay. And then we can move this back into here. And now we should actually make it. Okay, so we do not need this. Just remove that. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to make a new function. Oh, okay. First, we're going to make a new function. So we're going to say local function. Let's call it like, yeah, okay, check downwards. Yeah, because we're checking downwards. Okay, so we're going to need three variables. The ray origin, which is going to be equal to the script.parent.position. Okay. The second one is going to be the ray, which is going to be local ray is equal to ray.new, and then it's going to take in the ray origin, and it's going to take in a vector, which is just going to be the vector that's pointing downwards, which is 0, -3, 0, because it's pointing downwards, and it's 3 blocks because we're checking if there's a block under it, because if there is a block under it, then we don't want it to go down, right? And we can check that, by saying, well, what is the size of like any block? It's 3 by 3 by 3. So if we have another block, let's just say this is the water, we can make a ray that goes downwards 3 blocks, and then it can check if there's any block in this like little location where my mouse is. And that is exactly what we're doing. So now we're going to get to a part. So local part is equal to workspace find part on ray, and we're just going to give it the ray. And now we're going to check if part equals nil. So if there is no part, then we can go downwards, which is basically just all of this, just a little bit different. So we can just copy this. And yeah. So same thing here, except it's not this. It's .main.water, because we're just copying the main. And this is all good. This isn't good. We need to add on this vector that we created right here. You could create a a variable for it, but I don't really want to. Okay, so here we do this, except all we need to do is just like, oh wait, no, what am I saying? We don't need this. Okay, I don't know why I thought we needed that, because it's already in the same spot. Okay, never mind. Just forget I ever said anything. Okay, here, we're gonna make, actually, no. I'm gonna give an explanation for that later. Okay, let's see. Does that work? So, let's wait 5 to make sure it doesn't crash the game. Actually, you know what? Let's not do that, because then I can give another lesson. Okay, so here, we can just say, check downwards. Okay, we start the game. Oh, can't do that. So run it. Okay, so we're here. We go into here. Why is it lagging? Go into here, drag this up into here, and we get an error. Main is not a, okay. I forgot. Okay, I just messed up when we were doing that. Okay, so when you're testing, make sure to duplicate it or else it won't have anything to go off of. So when that happens, we get an error. This is the right error though. So, start script re-entrancy has exceeded 3. Okay, ignore this for right now. That just means that like the script is trying to copy a object. So this script is trying to copy this object right here that has a script inside of it. And this script is copying this, which is copying this, which is copying this, which is copying this, which is copying this. And just keeps repeating. But since Roblox Studio is smart, it'll just give us this error if it happens 3 times. And then it just shuts down the script. Okay. So, that makes sense. So, what we can do is add a wait 0.5. Sounds like a good amount of time. Should work now. Oh, I almost did the same thing. It works, but why is there so many things that are falling outwards? Shouldn't it just be going right down? That's exactly right. You want to know why? Because it still fires outwards. It doesn't. If it can go downwards, it doesn't tell the game ever to not go to the side. So what we need to do is we need to create a variable up here. Okay. Let's call it local down. Let's set it equal to false. And we can say up here, because this is if it is going to go down, we can set down equal to true. Then here we can check if down, oh, that's not how you spell down, down equals true, or no, not equals true, equals false. Then we put this in here. So if it isn't going down, then it can go to the sides, but if it is, then it can't. Okay. Let's see. Did all this work? Yes. Okay. It's going downwards. It's a good sign. See the blocks? It's going downwards, making its way. When it hits the ground, it goes outwards. And then it makes a little heart. Okay. Well, that is it for this video. I will be making another video on this pretty soon. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, and bye.